Je m'appelle Kushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the grammar of your HSC 11th standard textbook, lesson number 1. We have covered 4 grammar topics in the previous video. Now moving on to the 5th topic, which is the verb être. I have made a detailed video only for verb être. It is available on this channel. This is just the brush up of the same. Now, what does verb être mean? First of all, in French language, there are 3 types of verbs. This is for your basic knowledge. You can write it down in your notebook. Okay, 3 types of verbs. Let us begin with the broader category. 2 types, regular and irregular. Okay, regular and irregular. In regular, there are 3 types: er ending, ir ending, and re ending. Now, first of all, what does regular and irregular means? In regular verbs, there is some pattern set. Like there is some pattern that this verb would end with this letter, so and so. In a regular verb, there is no pattern. You have to memorize the irregular verbs. Hence, it is here written irregular verb être. You have to learn this verb entirely. You can see here, these are the pronoun sujet we have learned in the previous video, right? Pronoun sujet, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, on. Okay, these are pronoun sujet. The verb être changes in every form along with the pronoun sujet. These forms are known as conjugations of the verb. So whenever I say conjugations of verb être, it would mean this entire box. Okay, as it comes from this to this. These all are what? The conjugations of the verb être. So we are going to memorize this irregular verb être. Now what do I mean by être? Être means to be. To be means, as in English we say, I am, you are, he or she is, we are, you are, and they are. This is the verb être. This is the basic, the core used in the French language. So you have to memorize this verb. This is going to be used in the 12th standard as well. Let us begin. Je suis means I am. Repeat after me. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is or it is. Il est, he is or it is. Elle est, she is or it is. Elle est, she is or it is. Now, on. On is always conjugated just like il or elle. You can see the spelling here. Être, this verb. This is the same for on as in il and elle. This je suis, here être verb changes its form to suis. In tu es, the verb changes its form to es. In est, it changes its form to est. These are the different forms. These are the conjugations of the verb être. So, moving on to the plural part, we have nous sommes, we are. Nous sommes means we are. Vous êtes, you are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are. Elles sont, they are. Repeat after me. Je suis, I am. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Tu es, you are. Il est, he or it is. He or it is. Elle est, she or it is. On est, one is. On a means one is. Nous sommes, we are. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are. Here is the exercise given. Now, what do you mean by question 1 in this one? Options are given, okay? Elle, tu, je, il, nous. You have to fill in the blanks according to the options given. Now you can see first one, dash som. Dash som and dia. Dash are Indian. Now here, som is used with what? Som is used with nous. So here the answer would be nous sommes and dia. Nous sommes and dia. Next, il est, next, dash a étudiante. Étudiante is feminine with an E. Okay, so she is a student. Here EST is used with what? Where do we find EST? EST is used only with three options. Étudiant was feminine, so he or it, um, this is not relevant. For feminine, what do we have? L. So we would write LA étudiant. Same goes for the other parts as well. Okay. Now there is another topic connected to this topic only. The sixth topic, which is what? Expressions say and se sont. Say, C apostrophe EST. EST is a form of verb être. We have seen just now. It means is. Okay. And se sont means are. They are. C apostrophe est means it is or this is, and ce sont, the plural form means these are. It is or this is, and plural form means these are. Now, these two expressions are used to designate persons, people, or things. The first example is c'est un étudiant. Un étudiant. This is a student or it is a student. Say un étudiant, feminine. This is a student but feminine student. Then c'est un livre. This is a book, un masculine. Say une gomme. Une means feminine, gomme means eraser. Now, these were for singular. For singular, we use what? Say, C apostrophe EST. C apostrophe EST is pronounced as say. And the last one, for plural, what do we have? These are. So these are is pronounced as ce sont. Ce sont. Okay? Ce sont, sorry. Ce sont des étudiants means these are students. Then ce sont des livres. These are books. Ce sont des étudiantes. Feminine students. Ce sont des gommes. Feminine erasers. Okay. Now, what is the difference between say, C apostrophe EST, and il or LA? C apostrophe EST also has a meaning what it is, and il or LA also means it is. So, what is the difference? The former means say is used to present or point out, the latter is used for description. Say, these are, it is a book. Latter is used for description. It is a book. That book is like il a, that book is, there is a book, it is blue. Okay, there is a book, it is blue. So that it is, we'll use il a. But when pointing out, we'll use what? While pointing out, we'll use say. The examples will make it clear. C'est Jules. This is Jules. Il est musicien. This is Jules. He is musician. Ce sont des étudiants. These are students. Ils sont intelligents. They are intelligent. I hope you are through with this topic, être and avoir. Être and say and ce sont. These two topics. Okay. We'll move on to the next topic in the next video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.